Inyozu, akpanwa, mvoisi, mobun raisi, isiaka, manyaman ligo. What do these words have in common?
What am I trying to say?
They have been victims of your ignorance. Was that too harsh?
Oh, sorry. Don't cry.
What these words have in common is MB, the letters M and B. About megabytes can internet data. Okay, so keep managing your 250 MB. This is not a data giveaway post. Now, once a word ends with MB, the B becomes silent, vanished. Inyozu would now translate to Guinea. Tomb, not tomb. Abangwa would translate to what? Womb, not womb. Nraisi mobum voici. Abolo, comb, not comb. Okay? Isiaka, abolo Guinea. Thumb, not thumb. Nligo, abolo Guinea. Climb, not climb.
Please.
Now, in some cases where the combination MB is found in the middle of the word, just like in these words, the B is not silent. They are pronounced just as they are written. Okay, so let's pronounce them. Timber, like a woman of timber on Calibambo. You cannot relate. You are classless. Ramble, nimble, tumble. Okay, M and B are enunciated. We don't get silent. Now, Igbo words just like mbuzo, mberede, mbisi, mbo, mba that have that MB when MB. This rule is MB. MB. B at the silent. Okay, this is Igbo, and the other one is English.
So, Madam T, I think they know this already. This is something that everyone is really.
Do not be surprised. They will shock you. They will embarrass you. Itifa will shock you. Because God, they know.
With all the French, Germany, Greek, and all these things that you speak, plus your exposure and educational background, I wonder why you have not made it in life.